What's a quick and easy way to transfer ownership of real estate? It's a quitclaim deed. Not quick with a CK, but quit with a T. Just because it's quick doesn't mean that becomes part of its name. In a quitclaim deed, a person transfers or quits whatever interest they own in the property. They don't represent that they own it all or a part. If they own 50%, then 50% is transferred. 0%, then nothing was transferred. They also don't make any guarantees about any liens on the property. The recipient, known as the grantee, just acquires the interest of the grantor without warranty. If that's what you want, you'll need to explore a warranty deed. But the grantee has one reassurance. The grantor can't come forward later to claim an interest. The quitclaim deed takes care of that. The grantor quit his or her claim to the property. The nature of a quitclaim deed means they don't work well in a lot of situations. We see them used in situations involving transfers between family members, divorcing spouses, business owners to their businesses, tax sales, and other limited and special circumstances. To accomplish a transfer by quitclaim deed, the document will contain the names of the parties, a full legal description of the property, and particular language that establishes the transfer. The deed is signed by just the grantor and is notarized. Then it must be recorded on the local land records to put the public on notice of the change in ownership. Now you know the usefulness of a quitclaim deed in many situations and how it can be accomplished quickly. If you need to explore other deed options, check out our other videos, including an overview of warranty deeds. Thanks for joining me.